Well, it's February 17th, 2025. Out on patrol with the puppies in a bit of a blizzard. Yesterday was a kind of weird weather day. We started the day at -8. We hit like +8 at about midnight, and then it started cooling off from there. So we went from snow to freezing rain to torrential downpour, and then it sort of stopped. Now we're in a blizzard again today, and howling winds with gusts to like 90 kilometers an hour. So it's made for a fun couple of days. We're not doing anything up in the bush today, simply because 90 kilometers an hour winds and running chainsaws aren't really conducive with each other. We are, at least not we, but I tonight have to take one kid back to school overnight in Halifax, and then pick one kid up. So he's with us for the reading break, and him and his friends are gonna help us work through stuff on the property, hopefully this week. You can see how much it rained, because when I filmed through here before, we didn't have that much standing water here. Kind of a bit. Just a couple of inches of water. That isn't normally there. This area's normally a bit damp, but not quite that wet. So shows how much rain we got last night. But off we go and continue on. Cheers all.